Hello, friends. Welcome to Thursday, my second favorite day of the week. Okay, uh, let's read this through. Maps and globes. Read to learn why maps and globes are useful. Maps. Maps are useful tools. They help us find our way. A map is a drawing that shows where things are. People have been making maps for many, many years. There are maps on walls of caves to show hunting places that were drawn by cavemen long, long ago. Now maps are made for towns, countries, and even the world. You can even make a map of your school or your room. Globes. A globe is a round map of the earth. It is in the shape of the earth. Most globes show countries and oceans. Some even show mountains and rivers. The names of these things are written on the globe. Look for the names of the continents and the oceans on a globe. You can find the country where you live on the globe. How are they different? Both maps and globes are very useful, but they are different. Maps are flat. A globe is in the shape of a sphere. It is easy to fold a map or see it on your phone. A globe is harder to take with you. Maps can be made to show small places. Globes are made to show the earth. They both help us to learn about our world. Now, the reason I had us find our main ideas of each paragraph is because nonfiction text is divided in or organized usually into 5 different ways. The first way is a description. Now, this paragraph is a description of maps. This is a description of globes. This is a description of how they're different. But this whole page is not a description about one thing. If this whole page was about jaguars, or specifically Diego's jaguar, then this could be a description text structure. Sequence and order is the second type, and it tells things first, second, third, next, then last, things in order. Um, we don't need to go maps and then globes and then how they're different. That's not in any kind of timeline. That's not in any kind of sequence. So this is not a sequence in order. The third type we're going to skip and come back to. The fourth type is cause and effect. One thing happened and it caused something else. Nowhere in here is there a cause and effect. Nowhere. So that's definitely not it. The fifth type is problem and solution. Again, we don't have a problem anywhere in here. So it's not problem and solution. So the third type is compare and contrast. And it's where you take two things and you tell me how are they the same and how are they different. And in this case, maps is one of my things, globes is one of my things. And so in this paragraph, how are they different? It tells me how are they the same and how are they different. So it tells me about maps, it tells me about globes, and then it tells me what's the same and what's different. So down here at the bottom, we're going to say TS for text structure is compare and contrast. Now, I will be expecting you at some point to do this on your own, and then you'll just be able to say TS equals C and C, because there's no other text structure that starts with C and C. But for today, I want all of these words written out. Compare and contrast. Compare means how are they the same? Contrast means how are they different? And in this story, it talks about how they're the same and how they're different. Okay, Thursday and Friday are my favorite questions. So, how do the pictures on the page help the reader get more information? A, they both let you see the continents. B, they let you see the difference in the two. C, they teach the reader to find where they live. How do the pictures on the page help the reader to get more information? You're going to either write down A, they both let you see the continents, or B, they let you see the difference in the two, or you're going to write down C, they teach the reader to find where they live. Pick one of those answer choices, write the whole sentence down on Thursday.